there you have it. 427 cubic inch small block, twin turbocharged, 2 injectors per cylinder, intercooled, crank trigger, ignition, Nelson Racing. It's designed for Anthony Keating and his crazy supercars. We've got the dual fuel injector per cylinder where all the regulators are built into the plenum. It's automatically referenced, so for every pound of boost you get 1.8 pound increase in fuel pressure. This is going to be setting a world record at Nardo, Italy in a mid-engine supercar where a blind man will drive it over 200 miles an hour and then a professional driver hopefully over 270 miles an hour. So here you have it, Anthony Keating's 427, 1,521 horsepower at 5,800 RPM, 31 pounds of boost. Pretty beefy. 427. Here's the latest pull. (1,655 horsepower, 1,614 foot-pounds, 5,300 RPM. We shut the pull off early at 5,500 because the boost level was 36 pounds, and it started going a little lean. But 1,655 horsepower, that's 237 horse per liter. That's almost 4 horse per cubic inch. This is an animal. Anthony Keating Supercars is going to have one of the fastest cars in the world.